Hello friends, welcome to Shivani Tutorials. Today I will tell you how to cut underwear for 6-year-old baby. Here I have taken the fabric and I am putting it in 4 folds. So we have done 4 folds and now I will show you the drawing of baby underwear. Length is 11 inches. Waist is 7 inches. Waist fold. Half inches for inside and 1 inches for upper fold. Length of the seat is 7.5 inches and whole length is 11 inches. Width of waist is 7 inches. And width of seat is 7.5 inches. And 2 inches for crotch width. Join the 7.5 inches with 2 inches also. Mark half inches half circle also. So this is done and side portion is 6 inches. Drawing for baby underwear is done. Now I will show you the cutting process. I am starting the cutting from the 2 inches width of crotch area. We will open the close portion. This is the front side and this is the back side. Now we will cut the excess half inches of half circle. Cutting of baby underwear is done. Firstly, we will stitch the crotch with the margin of half inches. After that, we will mark excess half inches and apply piping on it. After the piping, we will stitch the side portions. Lastly, we will fold the fabric for half inches for waist and will stitch it, and then we will put the elastic in it. Cutting for baby underwear is done. Now we will cut the piping from this fabric. Here we have cut the piping and we will stitch it all together by joining their corners. After that, we will apply the piping here. So this is how the complete cutting of baby underwear is done. Do like, share and comment. And yes, thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.